Hi, Christina again. Today I'm going to talk about central vacuum installation process. What to expect in your home. Worried about the complexities of installing a central vacuum system? You're not alone. This video demystifies the entire process, guiding you through every step of getting a powerful, healthy central vacuum seamlessly integrated into your Washington, D.C., Maryland, or Virginia home. Your central vacuum installation questions answered. What exactly is a central vacuum system, and how is it installed in a typical home? A central vacuum system is a built-in cleaning solution featuring a powerful main unit, usually in a garage or basement, connected by a network of pipes within your walls to inlet valves throughout your living space. Installation involves strategically placing these inlets and running the hidden piping, allowing you to simply plug in a lightweight hose at any inlet for powerful, quiet cleaning. Our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech team ensures a seamless setup in homes across DC, Virginia, and MD. Is central vacuum installation messy or disruptive in an existing home? Well, this is a common concern. At AceVacuums, our central vacuum installation process is designed for minimal disruption and maximum cleanliness. Our AceVacuums central vacuum repair techs use specialized tools and techniques, like drop cloths and even powerful vacuums during the installation itself to keep dust to an absolute minimum. We pride ourselves on leaving your DC, Virginia, or MD home as clean, if not cleaner, than we found it. How long does a typical central vacuum installation take for an average home? Most central vacuum installations for average-sized existing homes are completed within 1 to 2 days. The exact duration depends on the size and complexity of your home and the number of inlets desired. During your free consultation, our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech will provide a precise time frame. Can a central vacuum system really be installed in an older or multi-story home? Absolutely. Our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech specialists excel at retrofit central vacuum installation for older and multi-story homes. We expertly navigate existing structures, finding discrete routes for piping through closets, basements, attics, and inside walls to ensure a fully functional and discrete central vacuum system across all levels. What's the first step in getting a central vacuum installed? The first step is a free, no-obligation consultation with an AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech. We'll visit your DC, Virginia, or MD home, discuss your cleaning needs, assess your home's layout, and design a custom central vacuum system plan tailored specifically for you. What kind of pipe materials are used for central vacuum installation, and are they durable? We use durable, high-quality PVC piping specifically designed for central vacuum systems. This piping is smooth, resistant to clogs, and built to last the lifetime of your home. Our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech team ensures every connection is secure for optimal, long-lasting performance. How many inlet valves will my home need, and where are they typically placed during installation? The number and placement of central vacuum inlets are determined during your consultation, based on your home's layout. Our goal is to ensure you can reach every area with a standard hose, often placing inlets in central hallways, living areas, or near stairwells. Our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech will map out the most convenient locations. But does a newly installed central vacuum system require a lot of ongoing maintenance? One of the biggest advantages of a central vacuum system is its low maintenance. Post-installation, you'll mainly need to empty the large dirt canister or change the bag a few times a year, depending on usage. Occasional checks of the hose and power brush are also recommended. For any service needs, your AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech is always just a call away. What are the main benefits I'll notice immediately after central vacuum installation? Immediately after your central vacuum installation, you'll experience quieter cleaning, as the power unit is remote, significantly improved indoor air quality, no exhaust recirculation, powerful suction that doesn't fade, and the sheer convenience of a lightweight hose without lugging a heavy vacuum. It truly transforms your cleaning routine in Washington, D.C., Maryland, or Virginia. What kind of warranty comes with the central vacuum system installation from AceVacuums? All central vacuum systems we install come with robust manufacturer warranties on the power units, and AceVacuums provides a guarantee on our installation workmanship. Contact us today for a free in-home consultation and estimate.